Hello and welcome. Now, behind me, I have Revit open to the starter page where you have your current projects and current families. In front of that, right below me, I have an image screenshot of the curriculum. If you read along with me, you can see below navigating the Revit interface, creating a basic Revit 3D model, creating a family in Revit with extrusion, creating an extrusion and void in the family, creating and using work planes, creating drafting and other views, creating a 2D sheet and adding views, adding text and dimensions and more to sheets, plus a whole bunch of stuff not mentioned here. Now, this class is for beginners in Revit. For those who've had no experience at all, for those who've had some experience but are still trying to get the hang of it, and even for those who have pretty good experience and want to learn some new stuff. But mainly for people who have no experience in Revit. For whatever your plans are to learn Revit, I believe this course can help you. So I truly hope you enjoy this course, and I'm looking forward to your feedback during the course. Thank you so much, and let's begin your journey in Revit for Newbies.